going on, guys? It is another Monday here at Tag Motorsports. Wanted to give you a little insight as to kind of phase one of our Ferrari Purosangue build. Starting off by painting the brake calipers to match the interior color, which is fire orange, which is going to be super cool. Thing to move on to is going to be the exhaust. We're just going to start with the rear section and the X-pipe, Novitec tips as well, and just see what we get sound-wise out of that. And to top that off, we are going to be rolling with the NF10 Novitec Boston forged wheels. These are done in a brushed clear to kind of tie in with the silver we've got already going on. So stay tuned and check out the rest of what's going on. We got a lot more in store for this car for you.
What do we have over here? The cool orange. It's a custom color. There's no color. There's my color. Any calipers that you guys want to get painted, it's right here. Any color, any shade, just let me know.